don't always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna be getting into Hypedrop once again. They're gonna be sponsoring this video. So if you are gonna be using their website, make sure that you are 18 years or over because this is only for adults. So please make sure that you are 18 or over. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Click that Gleam link at the top of the description. If you do wanna enter in a giveaway, that one's gonna be ending in like a couple days. So make sure you take advantage down below and click that link. But today I actually do have a package from Hypedrop, which was the item that I actually won in the last video that I did with them. I'm gonna be unboxing that. I'm gonna check if it is legit. If it's not legit, I'm gonna let you guys know exactly how I feel about it. What I do like about this website is, once again, that they are transparent. They let you know everything ahead of time. So they actually did email me and let me know that the box of the sneakers that I got didn't have a top, and whether I did want to keep it like that or whether I didn't, they would actually send it back and get a new pair for me. They are still new, obviously, but they were just trying to let me know whether I wanted it with the top on the box or no top on the box. I don't even know why I'm talking about it. Let's get straight into this unboxing before we start getting into the online unboxing. You know what I mean. Let's just get straight into this unboxing right here. We do got the Supreme knife to open these. Y'all already know. But this is a pair of sneakers that I was gonna cop for like a while and I just never pulled the trigger. It's one of those sneakers where it's like, yo, these are so hard, but am I gonna spend my money on these? I don't know. I opened this shit upside down because the label's on the other side. I forgot these shits don't have a lid on the box. I'm gonna try to like flip it without y'all seeing. I'm gonna be right back, hold up. So I don't know if y'all can see inside the box, but these are GOAT verified. So that's already a plus. We got the GOAT right here. Y'all already know, authenticated by whoever the hell that is. And then right here, we got the sneakers. These are so fire to me. I just would have never picked these up on my own. Right here, I could honestly tell that these are authentic. You could tell off rip. Like, come on, son. These shits are hard, especially for springtime. They got that sail bottom with the multicolored top. I feel like if this sneaker wouldn't have all these colors, they wouldn't be as lit as they are. Like, if one of these colors were different, it would throw the sneaker off, in my opinion. I love this purplish bluish lilac color right there. These are just overall clean, an overall clean sneaker in my opinion. They smell like Forces. Like, the bottom is honestly lickable. You got the Easter Air Force Ones right here. Super clean pickup, and I'm glad that they hit me up and I ended up with these right here. Honestly feel like these are 100% authentic. There's nothing throwing me off about these. They look completely dead stock as well. Let me know what y'all think about this sneaker right here. This is honestly one of my favorite Forces and one of the only Forces that I have. I do have the white mids, but them shits is kind of trashed and now they look tragic, bro. So these are probably the only Forces that I consider having in my collection. I've seen these on feet many times and every time I see them, they're like, damn, bro, they are so clean. So I'm glad I got these in the collection. I don't know if y'all noticed, but I got a whole nother row of sneaker boxes. So matter of fact, I'm gonna put these down here so if they didn't see the video, they could see it in the sneaker collection. You could probably still see them shits. Damn, I'm tripping. But hey, now that we got that unboxing out the way, let's go ahead and get into this online unboxing. I'm gonna get into a little bit of details on the website and then we're gonna get straight into it. So let's not waste no more time and go ahead and get straight into it. I just said the same shit. Let's go. Alright, so we just hopped on hypedrop.com and we're gonna go ahead and check some of these boxes. Like we said on the last video, they were gonna bring some new designs and some new boxes. We do got this PlayStation box right here and it has this dope ass Pac-Man design. Some of these boxes actually have really cool design and aesthetics to it, which makes it more pleasing to the eye. But before we even get into this video, I do want to stress that you have to be 18 or over. Please do not be a kid using your parents' credit card. That is not what I want you guys to go ahead and do. I want you to make a conscious decision to use the website if you're an adult, because you know that you might win and you might lose. This is not a guaranteed successful thing. Like last video, I lost like $100 out of the 200 and that's just the way it is. On this video, I might do better than last time or I might even do worse. Who knows? But this is all a chance. Just be 18 or over and think about it before you do it. You feel me? Let's go ahead and get into this video. We do have some really dope boxes right here. I feel like on the last video I made, I did it a little bit wrong where I opened some boxes that I probably shouldn't even have opened so fast. I should have took it slow because the video was super short. But hey man, we still did what we had to do. Right now, I'm gonna show y'all how to deposit money into this website. So first you gotta click top up on the top right corner of the website. It's like on the little bubble type shit, click that. It's gonna show you two different ways to pay. You can either use your credit card or you can buy gift cards through PayPal. So that's honestly the way that I would recommend. I do like the fact that they do have PayPal implemented into the website. You could go ahead and choose whatever amount you have right here and click continue, and I'm pretty sure it would ask you for PayPal after that. And that's pretty much how you do that. Now that we spoke about all these things and touched all these points, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So like I said before, I feel like last time I hopped straight in, went balls to the wall, and I tweaked out. So this time we're gonna do it a little bit different. We're gonna start with some lighter boxes and work our way up to the top. I'm actually gonna be trying Supreme as well. Let's go ahead and start with this PlayStation box. Fuck it. So what I didn't do last time as well is I just don't know, bro. But there's one more thing I want to talk about. This website is provably fair for anybody. So the fact that I'm sponsored doesn't really mean shit, because you could do better than me. It all depends on your luck, honestly. But we're gonna go ahead and purchase this box right here. Let's do a little preview. Let's do a little preview and see what we would get. Dude, I would have won a controller, bro. Oh my gosh. I would have won a controller, bro. I'm tweaking. All right, let's go ahead and open the real box. And I got the controller cover. Damn, bro. I should have just went balls to the wall, bro. But it's all right. We not even tripping. Let's go ahead and continue doing what we do. Let's open a different box right now. Let's open this all-in-one box. It's the $30 box. Let's just see what we get. I'm gonna go ahead and try the preview first. Purchase the box, bang. Click that preview. See what we would get. Bro, I think they playing with me, bro. I'm about to get some dookie now. Watch this. Come on, bro. Bruh. See what I'm saying? Bruh. I ain't even gonna trip. I ain't even gonna trip. Let's just keep it stroking and poking. Let's try. I don't know, bro. See, this is me going balls to the wall. Like, I'm gonna try the Supreme one, bro. I can't just look past it and not open it. We're gonna try the Supreme one real quick. I don't even know if I want a preview. I feel like that destroys my chances. I'm gonna go straight for it and see what we get real quick. I got the marker. That's actually not bad. It's going for like $44. That's something that I actually might keep. We're gonna have to talk about that one. But I do have $100 left. I'm gonna open probably one of the bigger sneaker boxes. Yeah, I'm gonna open this Adidas Hype box and see how it treats me real quick. Let's go ahead and purchase box. Let's do a preview on this one real quick. Nah. Yo. Low-key, I'm still winning though. Low-key, that's still a victory, because this box was $60 and that is worth 70 or 78 or something like that, which is not bad, I guess. I ain't even tripping. I ain't even tripping, to be honest. What I do like is that when you buy something on this website, the shipping is already included, so you don't have to worry about spending all the money and having to deposit extra or no shit like that. Whatever you have is actually what you have, you feel me? You don't have to put no extra charges or none of that. So we do got $40 left. I'm gonna go for this all-in-one box one more time. No preview. Let's just go straight for it and see what we get. So close. So close. Fuck. Bro, literally so close. It did me greasy right there, bro. All right, so we got like $12, bro. At this point is where it's like, fuck it. I don't even know no more. Let's open this Adidas goodies box. Let's get it. I'm gonna get like a $2 gift card. Some laces. Let's open this flexwear box. Wait, what is this? What's the least you could get? Nah. There's less shit in here. Let's go for this one right here. I got $1.47 after this, so this is the last box most likely. What is that? I still got a protective cover. What are you saying, bro? So I guess that pretty much does it for the unboxing portion. Now, let's go ahead and click the exchange button right here. My value total is $124. So I did lose like 75, which isn't too bad, but we about to go ahead and see what we could trade this for. It says sell for 122 right there. I'm gonna go ahead and exchange and see what items I do end up liking. I'm gonna come back when I do find something that I like. I'm gonna just show y'all what I end up with. All right, guys. So after like 2 hours of debating what I'm gonna go ahead and get, I decided to go with this Madonna tee in the bright blue colorway. I've been debating on buying one of these shirts for so long, so I just said fuck it, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. I was either gonna get this or the Cat in the Hat skate deck, but I feel like this is a better option because I'm gonna end up wearing it rather than just having something displayed in my room, you feel me? And I feel like this shirt is so fire, so I gotta go ahead and pick it up. I'm gonna complete this purchase, and I guess that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did end up enjoying, go ahead and leave a like down below. Go ahead and check out Hypedrop if you are interested and 18 or over. You might go ahead and be able to get something dope like this. But without any further ado, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Oh yeah, go ahead and click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you want to enter in the giveaway as well. But I'm gonna catch y'all, bro. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.